Felix Dennis, the renowned British publisher and entrepreneur, shares his insights on how to get rich in his book, aptly titled How to Get Rich. Dennis emphasizes the importance of taking risks and being willing to fail in order to achieve success. He believes that the path to wealth is not an easy one, but with determination and hard work, anyone can attain financial success. Dennis stresses the importance of having a clear goal and vision for what you want to achieve. He believes that without a clear direction, it is easy to get lost and lose motivation. Dennis also emphasizes the importance of taking action and not just dreaming about success. He believes that in order to get rich, one must be willing to put in the work and take risks. One of the key points that Dennis makes in his book is the importance of investing in oneself. He believes that in order to achieve success, one must be willing to invest in their own education and personal development. Dennis also stresses the importance of surrounding oneself with successful and like-minded individuals who can offer support and guidance. Dennis also discusses the importance of being willing to fail in order to succeed. He believes that failure is a natural part of the journey to success, and that one must be willing to learn from their mistakes and keep moving forward. Dennis also emphasizes the importance of perseverance and not giving up when faced with obstacles. In addition to taking risks and being willing to fail, Dennis also believes in the importance of being disciplined and focused. He believes that in order to achieve success, one must be willing to make sacrifices and stay committed to their goals. Dennis also stresses the importance of being proactive and taking initiative in order to create opportunities for oneself. Dennis also discusses the importance of being adaptable and willing to change in order to achieve success. He believes that in order to get rich, one must be willing to evolve and adapt to changing circumstances. Dennis also emphasizes the importance of being open-minded and willing to explore new opportunities. Overall, Felix Dennis's book, How to Get Rich, offers valuable insights and advice on how to achieve financial success. He believes that with determination, hard work, and a willingness to take risks, anyone can attain wealth. Dennis's message is clear. Success is possible for those who are willing to put in the effort and make the necessary sacrifices.